What's up, calculus students? What's up, calculus parents of students? I'm Mr. Messner. I'm going to be your calculus teacher this year. I'd love to make a video at the beginning of the year, send it out to everybody. That way, you know who I am, introduce you to the class, make sure you understand what you're getting into, um, and get you ready for a great year. So, I'm your teacher, also the math department chair. I'm Mr. Math here at the high school. Let's talk about AP Calculus AB, that class that you have signed up for, and we will start learning really Tuesday and Wednesday. We like to first talk about like why are you in this class? What is AP Calculus AB? I'm going to keep myself over here, new stuff over there. So you might have heard from other students, like your friends, who are taking BC calculus, and it's like, what the heck is the difference between AB and BC calculus? Now, hopefully, you students, you guys know because we math teachers have told you about the differences when you are signing up for the courses. AP Calculus AB is equivalent to Calculus 1 in college. AP Calculus BC or BC Calculus is equivalent to Calculus 1 and 2. These courses are the same in terms of difficulty. It's just BC Calculus covers more material in the same amount of time that we cover less in AB Calculus. But questions are the same, very similar tests that we use. Mr. Huffaker teaches the BC courses. Me, Mr. Messer, I teach all the AB courses. Why do you need to take this course? It is a required course in a lot of different majors, businesses, all of the sciences. Definitely, if you're a computer scientist or an engineer, you will need calculus because you'll be using calculus probably in your life. But unless you're a computer scientist or an engineer, you usually don't need the calculus courses after that. You don't need the calculus material, the knowledge. It's good, like a brain workout. It's a tough course that can be applied in a lot of places, but not all those places actually use it. So for most of you, you non-computer scientists, engineers, you need the course. It's a required course for a lot of majors, but you don't really need it after that. So what we try to do in this class is make sure you work hard, you learn the stuff, and you're going to pass the AP exam. You're going to use the credit. You're not going to retake this course in college. You don't have to worry about calculus again. You could spend more of your time working on other courses that are more like applicable to your major and what you're going to be doing in the real world. That is, unless you're going to be an engineer and computer scientist. Then you need to like learn this stuff probably again and maybe get ready for calculus 2 and all that stuff. The course, really quickly, expectations. Here's where your grade's coming from. If you remember last year, you're either an on-ramps pre-calculus or honors pre-calculus. This course is very much like honors pre-calculus, okay? Quiz every single day. Pencil and paper, though, not online. 3-unit tests. There are going to be no projects in this class. All of your tests are tough besides one. All AP level difficulty tests, except for our first test. That's the easiest one. But multiple choice on the first semester, but you'll find that those are still hard to do. Free response in the second semester. That's what it's going to look like. You got to keep, just like in honors pre-calculus last year, you have to keep up to date with material when you're absent. Just like your honors pre-calculus class, I have videos of all of the lessons and videos of all the homeworks, okay? If you are ever absent, you need to be ready to take the quiz that everybody else is taking, learn the next lesson that everybody else is learning on the day that you come back. But you won't need a tutor if you're absent. You won't need a tutor because the class is hard. I have worked really hard over the last 10 years. I've taught this class for 10 years now, making calculus very accessible, making it very easy to understand. Provide you're engaged in class and you're working hard. And the videos are there for you as your tutor. The videos of the lessons are there to help you learn the material. The videos of the homeworks are there so that you can know how to do all the problems. We don't use a book. Everything you need is online. One thing that's new, though, this year, compared to any other year that I've taught, is class sizes. We are increasing the class sizes of all the calculus classes. Whether you are taking AB calculus or BC calculus, all class sizes have grown. We're looking to be somewhere between like a high school class size and a college class size. It's going to be in the 40s. And it's like, well, why are we doing that? Well, like Mr. Huffaker and myself have been very successful in teaching this class. And we love teaching. and we just wanted to teach more students. So, we are increasing our class sizes so that we could teach Algebra 2 classes, so we could teach more students because we love doing it so much. And we feel comfortable in our abilities to do it. Here is like proof that like the class is a good class and my students know their stuff. This was my students from last year, how they did on the AP Calculus AB exam. You could see passing scores started at 3, 3, 4, and 5 are passing scores. Only 20% of my students failed, 80% passed. My mean score was 41% better compared to a typical Texas student's mean score. But it gets better. 13 of my students actually passed the BC exam. So if you like incorporate both of those, about 83 to 85% of my students passed the AP exam. You can see my students that took the BC exam. These are like my best of my best AB calculus students that really know the AB stuff. I teach them the BC stuff on the side. Their mean score is incredible. Look at Mr. Huffaker's scores. These are Mr. Huffaker's students from last year. 88% of them passed. So we are ready for bigger class sizes. We're going to spread you out. We're going to warm you up. Everybody's going to feel like they have plenty of space. We got 2 projectors working, so everybody can see things at the same time. I'm going to be centrally located, moving around. And when we learn new lessons, we'll collapse you. We'll get into like tables of like 5 where we can talk about the content. We can really engage in it. You will have access to the videos in my website. You can always find my website really quickly. It's just like a funny picture of me typically. And you'll see that like everything will be here for you in just this one page. It won't even be in the folders. You can look at this one page, and this page has every single video of all of my lessons, all of the homework videos, just right off the bat. I try to teach calculus in a way that is very accessible, and students don't come into calculus thinking this is going to be hard. You are going to be fine. I will help you. You will have to work hard if you want to be successful and if you want to learn the stuff. So I guarantee that's going to happen. But we're going to do it together. I love doing it. I love teaching. I love teaching at Lake Travis High School. I can't wait to see you guys on Tuesday and Wednesday. You're going to get to know me. I'll get to know you a little bit better. We're going to have fun trying to figure out how to fit everybody in half of the class and like how it looks. And then we're actually on Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to start in with like reviewing the unit circle and stuff like that. So like, can't wait to see you Tuesday and Wednesday. If you have any questions, students or parents, please reach out by email. I check my email all the time. Very accessible. I love doing this. So messner@ltisdschools.org. Reach out. Can't wait to see you. Looking forward to a great year. Later.